Hey everybody, Just Oil Hair and Body Solutions here. And I want you to go with me as I wash my hair. And the purpose of this video is to show you how using Just Oil Hair and Body Solutions hair solutions is time saving for you. If you look at my hair, it's overdue for washing. I've been need to wash it, so it's dirty to me. But I want you to notice a couple things. I want you to notice how straight it is. I don't know if it would be considered bone straight, silky straight, just straight, whatever straight, but it's straight. Okay. And so I just want you to notice my curl pattern and the texture and everything during the course of this. So what I'm going to do is wash my hair using the hair restoration bundle. Okay. Because it is still winter here, my hair dries out. To show you the moisturizing effects of the hot oil treatment. And so, with that, I will say that I did make some changes. Okay, so you will notice some changes in the packaging, and it's based on a hair restoration bundle because my solutions are simply based. Basically, to maintain your hair or restore your hair, and then you style it after that. Make it healthy first, then style it any way you want, is what I always say. So, I did make some changes to the packaging, and starting with the new packaging, it will have numbers. It will be a number system, just like you see with certain other products and how you would use it in regards to the results you want to receive. That's how it is. So as far as the black soap shampoo, that's number one because that will be the first thing that you would use. And then after that, you have the conditioning custard, and that's number two. So these will always be in that order. Now, of course, people use the solutions however they feel fit best for their hair, and that's fine. But according to this system, this is how it's going to be. So number one is the black soap shampoo. Number two is the conditioning custard. Now, because I'm doing the restoration bundle, the hot oil treatment would be number three. Okay. And if you purchase just a hair maintenance bundle, you will not get three. So you would do one, two, and four. But in the hair restoration, it's one, two, three, and then four. So with that, number four will be the hydrating hair lotion. Or if you do the replacement and you use one of your oils, that's also going to be number four. So just Oil is designed to be simple, to give you the effects that you need, to hydrate and to moisturize. And really, that's it. So when you get it, don't be confused about, oh, it has these numbers on it. It doesn't matter. You use it, what works best for you. But in regards to the system, you want to do one, two, three, and four for the restoration, and one, two, and four if you're just doing the hair maintenance bundle. And with that, I'm going to get started and get my hair washed. The other thing I want you to pay attention to is my gray hair. So the grays is in throughout. I have them. I have them. They're there. But notice how they're not wiry. They're not frizzy. They're not all over the place. It just lays like it's supposed to. So I want you to pay attention to that. And then also I'm going to show you my scalp health. So basically once I wash it, after I condition it and everything, I'm going to show you that. So to get started, I am going to show you the time because okay, so I'm back and I just washed my hair. I washed it twice. Once concentrating on my scalp, and then the second time really concentrating on my hair. So let me show you the time. And since okay, so part two, the conditioner. Let me show you. Whew, and so you can see, as I was stating, pay attention to the straightness. So you do see my curls. My curls is there. You can see my scalp. It looks healthy and everything. No dryness, no flaking. Because that's the main thing. The reason when I started Just Oil was because of that. My scalp was so bad. So now I'm gonna just show you how I apply the conditioning custard, and we're gonna go through that process. This is the exciting part. The hot oil treatment. So I want to tell you about the hot oil treatment, and let me not waste time. Okay, so let me go get that. So again, as I apply this, I pretty much do that in the same manner as far as doing it in sections. Now, why I'm so excited about this hot oil treatment is because I've updated the formula once again. I'm always looking to make sure my solutions are better, they work better, more efficiently, and they, live up to the standards that I set for them. And if it doesn't, sometimes it lasts for a while and then it all of a sudden it's not working. So I do adapt it, and not just for myself but for you, of course. One thing I would want to note is this is in my detangling, this is all the hair that I combed out. That's all that was in the comb. So I just want you to note that, so you have that. Now I'll get back to the hot oil treatment. I did change the formula, so the oils are less heavy, but they are just as moisturizing, and so it's a lighter formula. And this is my personal stash. Okay. And then I also apply it different because I get a little heavy with this because I know that the hot oil treatment works. I know how it works. And so I tend to overdo it. So I'm learning to scale myself back in regards to that. So again, I pretty much apply that the same way as I do the conditioning custard. Now with this new formula, there's no need to heat the bottle up first because there's no oils that needs to melt to mix it. Okay. So okay, I'm back again, and this time I have rinsed out the excess oil from the hot oil treatment. And look at that! Look at that moisture! Look how that's maintained in there. Now, okay, so final thought. I was going to, for the purpose of this video, I always let my hair air dry. I style it whichever way, whether I do twist outs or, if I'm going to straighten it, whatever I do, I kind of style it first and then let it air dry, and then, style it once it's dry. For the purpose of this video, I was going to blow dry my hair, which I rarely ever do. But so because it is getting late and everything, and I want to give you another point of view, what I am going to do is I am going to go ahead and put it up in a bun. And where's my hair? I'm gonna put it up in a bun, let it air dry like I normally do, and then this will also show how the moisture keeps. So you see the curls when my hair is wet, you'll still see those curls once it's dry. Hey, I'm back. Just Oil Hair and Body Solutions here, and just to show you. So I washed my hair last week. Today is Monday, and so I wore it washed um, for like 3 days, and then I straightened it. So actually, this is my second day. So today is Monday. I straightened it out Saturday evening, and I just want to say that my hair has never held curls like this before with a relaxer. So, but ever since I've been using my solutions and everything, the oils and everything, not only does it maintain my natural curls, but it also helped me to maintain and hold these curls. It used to be I can get my hair done and have it real curly, go to bed that night, the next day gone. It wouldn't even last me a day; it'd be gone. So for it to be this curly, and this is my second day, and I just pin it up and go. It's just remarkable. I love it. My hair feels so light. It feels so fluffy. And it's just, I don't know if you could tell. I've always been told I had thick hair. You could see how thick my hair was while I was going through the process. So this just really feels good to me. And I know it will have you feeling good as well. So again, the hot oil treatment and the black soap shampoo is on special, 15% off this month. Black History Month, February 2025. Go to the website and purchase this, justoilhair.com. All right. Thank you. Bye.